as the sun's energy reaches its peak. The plants gratefully receive and harness its incredible power. Riding the wave of its high vibration for easy and effortless forward momentum. Summer energy is bright, energizing, vibrant, social, uplifting, expansive, sustaining, and joyful. The summer season is a welcomed reminder of what higher vibrations can feel like. Something we might not fully appreciate without experiencing the contrast of other seasons. As you spend time in nature during this season, close your eyes and notice how you feel simply being in a summer landscape. Feel the intensity of light and heat from the sun. Inhale the fragrant scents. Tune in to the sounds of busy insects and the harmonies of cheerful birds. And notice how your body responds, physically, emotionally, and energetically. Fully capture and harness the essence of summer by becoming the vibration of it. Move with the grace and flow of a butterfly experiencing its first flight. Approach life with the same enthusiasm and liveliness of bees feasting in a wildflower meadow. And become the vitality and life force of the sun itself. By absorbing sunlight through your skin, or by consuming Mother Nature's sun-drenched summer plants and fruits. When we embody summer energy, we can expand and progress along our path with far more ease and enjoyment. Like all things external to us, climatic conditions are just reflections of our collective inner worlds. So when we view the Earth's climate changes relative to the expansion and elevation of human consciousness, it appears that as we shine brighter, so too does Mother Earth.